Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Jeep Grand Cherokee and this is new for 2025. It's a model by Matchbox and it's from their moving parts line. So let's open it up, and as you can see on the image, the door's open. So I will take it out and then we'll look into depth. What are the details here, what's missing and what's good about it. And meanwhile, when I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. So here it is, the Jeep Cherokee out of its packaging. It's a national park forest ranger vehicle, so you will see few differences from that, like normal Jeep Cherokee, like hubcaps instead of alloy wheels. So most of the vehicles, when they go into like any government office, they end up having hubcaps. Let's start from the front. So up front, got nicely detailed headlamps, grille, fog lamp, door grille, everything is detailed. You've got the Jeep logo. You also got this reflective tape, I would say, in front. Something which looks off to me from the front is the angle of the windshield. I don't know if it's just me, or even if you feel that. Even if you look from the side, it feels slightly off. Like, I think it's not that much raked back on the actual car. And I might have a Hot Wheels Grand Cherokee. It will make a nice, comparison to see. Maybe I can do that on the end of the video. But let's focus on this one. So on the driver's side, as we talked, you've got the hubcaps, you've got the wheel arches, the cladding on the wheel arches. You got the National Park written on the side, Forest Ranger and their logo. You got the mirrors on both the sides. That's good. The interior is done in gray. Also, the rear door's open, and this is something different. You can see the windows are lowered down. Nice touch. We'll come to the door. Let's first look on the roof. You've got the roof rails. I think it might not be that visible, but you've got the roof rails on both the sides, which is same as the body color. You've got the big sunroof and then the shark fin antenna. Also the spoiler on the lift gate at the back and the fuel filler door right here. Now this is disappointing. There's no detail on the tail lamp. Why would you do on something like a moving line part, like casting? Matchbox has been so good. They do decals, they do tail lamp and headlamp on their main lines nowadays. Then why miss something on moving parts? I know it's something like you can have like 2 passes of decals on the casting or something, but then this is not a main line, this is a moving part. You are asking more than double of the main line, so we expect more details on the back. But yeah, apart from that, you can see the windshield wiper, the twin exhaust at the bottom, but I'm disappointed here. On the other side, again, it looks same, just the missing fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the bottom. I don't know what's that. Oh, maybe the hinge for the door. So let's see if I can open the door with gloves on. Just give me a sec, let me try open it up. So this is how it looks with both the doors open. You can see the interior is done in gray. I don't know if that's a lunchbox or something inside, but you got something inside there. So before giving my overall opinion, I would say I'm slightly disappointed with Matchbox, and I'm gonna go find my Hot Wheels one, grab it and compare it with this one. Obviously that's a premium, but again, I still want to compare it, so don't go anywhere. So here I've got my Hot Wheels Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a premium one, so it's gonna have slightly better details, obviously. But if I look closely at them, they look at different sizes. Now, talking about my one complaint, if you see here, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but if you see the angle of the windshield, it looks different. It's much more upright here compared to the Matchbox casting. So that makes it look a bit weird. It's also smaller, so it's making it look even weirder. And the detail I was talking about, look at this. It has tail lamp. I know it's a premium and I shouldn't complain, but we expect this detail from Matchbox now because they have given us so many good main lines. So I don't know. I wasn't expecting this from Matchbox. I was expecting more. Well, so my overall, I would say it's alright casting. It has got some good details on it, but it misses out on a lot, and I would have loved it to be slightly better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.